No, a negative correlation does not necessarily show that smaller class sizes cause better performance. Many other factors could affect students' test scores and performance. A student's ability could influence her test performance. If smarter students are assigned to small-sized classes, the higher test scores may be attributed to students' ability. The teacher's teaching ability and experience could affect students' performance too. Family background also plays a role because wealthy families are more likely to invest more in their children's education. Children could inherit their parents' patience and